How to use or create tab groups in Chrome. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Google Chrome and how you can use or create any type of tab groups in it. Now, as we know, Google Chrome is the world's browser and many people use it almost every second of the day. Now, if you are a person who likes his work managed in one place or likes his tabs managed in one place, so this video is perfect for you because in this, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your browsing experience very appropriate, very manageable, and very seamless. So, for this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to open up any tab for yourself. Like, let's say YouTube is a tab that I work on, right? Just an example. Now, once this tab is open, you're going to go over to the tab section and you're going to right click on it. Now, once you right click, you're going to click on Add Tab to New Group. You're going to choose any color that you want. And once you've done that, let's call it Work. Now, once we have done that, click on New Tab in Group, and it's going to go ahead and create a group for you. And you can continue to add more tabs into this group. So as you can see, we have this. Now let's go ahead and add one more tab. Let's go ahead, add tab to new group, add that, and there we go. Now we have this one group. Now to add multiple groups, let's say I'm going to click on this group, go ahead and collapse it, and I'm going to click on new group. You're going to go ahead and create a new group. So let's call this group chill. Okay. So once we do that, we're simply going to go ahead and add our chill tabs however you want to add them. So let's say netflix.com. I'm going to add that. Once Netflix is added, let's go ahead and add Amazon Prime. Okay, so we're going to add Amazon Prime in it. And once that is done, you're going to collapse that out. And there we go. So as you can see, now we have two saved tab groups in our Chrome. Now, even if you want to, let's say close your browser, if you come back, you don't have to worry about it being deleted. So if we come over here, look at this. Both the tab groups are open. Now, if I open that up, you can see we have Prime Video and Netflix opened up over here. And if you want to go ahead and chill for yourself or work for yourself, you're going to click on that. And as you can see, your work tabs have opened up. So that is basically the main idea of how you can go ahead, create and use tab groups in Chrome in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, there's obviously much better affectionate ways or much better effective ways to do this for yourself. And obviously, you can find those ways by exploring the tab groups option yourself. My job was to tell you how you're going to create it and use it at a normal basis. So do go ahead and use it out for yourself and let me know how you feel about it and how you have used it in your ways. But yeah, till then, that is all from me. Do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that's from me and I'll be seeing all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.